Now in this video, what we're going to look at is how you can create a classroom as a teacher. In previous videos, we've seen what it looks like as a student. So let's see how it looks like as a teacher. So first of all, we have to create a classroom. So we need to be in our dashboard first, and if we're not in our dashboard, we can click the three lines here, click on courses, and that will take us back to our dashboard. Then we can go to the plus in the corner and create a class. Now, these different fields here, what you might want to do is play around with these fields and get some naming conventions for your school. The way I deal with this is give the class a name. This might be Google Training section. So I'm going to put Google here, computing, and my company name. But you might want to get some naming conventions that are consistent throughout the school so everybody's on the same page there. And then let's click Create. So here we have our Google Classroom. In the next video, I'm going to speak to you about the navigation of this. But let's go back to our dashboard and look at our courses. And now you can see we've got two classrooms here. This one I'm in as a student, and this one is the one that I've just created. If we click on these three dots here, as a teacher, there's more things we can do. We can move it, we can edit our classroom. If we click on edit and we find that our fields here are incorrect, we can go back and change them. We've also got the ability to copy the classroom and then archive if we need to. On the student one, you can see we've only got two options here. That move option, you can move it around. So if you've got a lot of classrooms and you want to sort your classrooms out in a particular order, you can either use the move option there and move it to different places, or you can just drag it to different places within your dashboard. So that's creating our teacher classroom. In the next video, we'll look at how we can navigate around this classroom.
Thanks for watching. Please click the like button and please subscribe to this channel for more educational technology videos. Until next time, goodbye.